we are back, like we said, purposely to look at the roles of the hair on the surface of the leaf. Let's use this example the UNEB used. He said the UNEB people was like one of the farmers was growing pumpkins, but during a certain hot day, a hot season, the hair on the surface of the leaf could bend downwards most of the hours in the day. And it delayed the yields. We shall see why. I want us to look at the hair. Roles of the hair on a leaf. Why do really some leaves possess hair? We've seen an example of the pumpkin leaf. One, the hair on the pumpkin leaf, or on any leaf, in most cases, scares away herbivores. So I'm sure you've ever seen this. Most of the leaves with hair on them, they are rarely eaten by herbivores. You can bear me witness. The second function of the hair traps moisture. This trapping of moisture on the surface of the leaf usually is an advantage that it keeps the leaf moistened. And two, the moisture dissolves the respiratory gases to be absorbed by the leaf in a liquid form. So the hair are serving a purpose. Three, the hair trap a layer of air on the surface of the leaf. The hair trap a layer of air on the surface of the leaf. We very well know that air, this one, is a bad conductor of heat. And when it is trapped over the surface of the leaf, it insulates the surface of the leaf from excess heat, hence reducing heat loss, water loss by transpiration. Since the air is insulating the leaf surface from the extreme temperatures. When bent, giving the functions of the air, when bent, the hair forms shade. Forms shade on the surface of the leaf. Forms shade on the surface of the leaf. And this shade, the shade formed on the surface of the leaf reduces the effect of direct sunlight on the surface of the leaf. Very well know, if any surface obstructs light, the outcome on the lower surface becomes shade. We know that. And anything that is in the shade of the other is not affected by the effect of the light or heat. 5, the hair, when hair bends, reduces the effect of strong winds from blowing away moisture actually from the surface of the leaf. In fact, whenever the strong winds blow, instead of carrying the moisture from the surface of the leaf, they instead bend the hair onto the surface of the what? The leaf. So in that way, the hair are serving the purpose of shielding the leaf from losing excess moisture as it is carried away by the strong winds. All of these are important things. However, when these hair are bent flat to the surface of the leaf, being large structures, they block the openings of the stomata. And when the openings of the stomata are closed, gaseous exchange may not take place. And we very well know that the result of gaseous exchange not taking place, the carbon dioxide will not be available, which carbon dioxide is a raw material for photosynthesis. The bending of the hair still will shield light, will shield the UV light from reaching the chloroplasts. And when the light is obstructed, or when the chloroplasts are in the shades of the hair, the energy required to convert the carbon dioxide and water by photosynthesis will not be availed. So photosynthesis will not take place. And this is a negative effect. When you visit the UNEB item, they said, item 1, section A, you'll find that the item is around that, and we are going to put it in the group. We are going to put that item 1 of UNEB in the group. If you're willing, please visit the group and check the WhatsApp group of Moto Online. Visit the group and see that question. Try it. If you can access it, even if you're somewhere, do it. Try it out. Send the response you've tried to give on my number. My number is simple. My WhatsApp number is 070 888 3475. That's my WhatsApp number. We see how best you could respond to it. But the number was very simple. The item was very simple. If you know the functions of the hair on the leaf, when you know them very well, you know the effects. And in these uses of the hair on the leaf, there are some disadvantages. When the hair forms shade on the surface of the leaf, the chloroplasts are obstructed from the UV light. So they will not be able to absorb or to trap that UV in them to form energy for photosynthesis. That will delay yields. The stomata openings will be closed by the hair, since they are large structures. And this is an effect that it will obstruct transpiration and gaseous exchange as well. So affecting both cooling of the plant entirely and photosynthesis by not availing the raw material, which is carbon dioxide. So with that information, allow me to end here with the leaves. Alan.